Sami Zayn, and here comes the GOAT! John Cena! Shoulder tackle! And another one by Cena! Down goes Sami! Drawing Roman Reigns into the ring. Cena now! Planted Roman Reigns!